So today is our day 14 of saving and investing, right? And I want to welcome every single one of us to the challenge, okay, to this day 14. And this day 14 is going to probably take another dimension. And the reason why I'm saying this is that there is something I would like to share with us here on this day 14, okay? And what I want to share with us today is this is particularly for people that runs business or owns small business, or let me just say small business owners, okay? So this is a common mistake amongst people that runs business, and the mistake is not having a separate account for your business. Okay, your expense account and your business account is one particular account, and I'm going to explain the way you are going to understand it. If you're running a business, because I've been in this problem, but I have to have some sense. Okay, so if you're running a business, you need to have a separate account that you use in running your business, and you have another account that this particular account is going to be your expense account, so that you can be able to track any single thing that goes on in your business account. Because if you have a particular account and you use that particular account to run both your business and your expenses, what is going to be suffering is the business, right? Because if you have a separate account for your business, any money that is coming in as profits, you are going to do what? Reinvest it into that particular business. Yes. So you are going to do it in a way that, let's say at the end of the month, you are going to be paying yourself salary. Just know how much you think that is going to be okay for you for the month. If you can be able to manage the sum of 50,000 naira for a particular month, then your salary should be 50,000 naira. If it is 100,000 naira that can be able to take care of your expenses for the month, then your salary is going to be 100,000 naira. Just understand where I'm heading to, okay? The summary of what I'm trying to say is that you are going to pay yourself salary, and that salary you are going to send into your expense account, and that is where you are going to be making use of, or that is where you are going to be doing your whole expenses. Okay, yeah. So if anything should happen that there is this particular thing you need to do, but the money you have in your expenses account is not enough to do that, then this is when you can actually get from your business account and then fund whatever thing you need to fund. But have it in mind that that money that you remove from your business account, I want you to see it or treat it as a loan that you know that definitely you are going to pay back, and make sure you pay that money back. That is the only way your business can be able to survive. Any profit you are getting there, you are reinvesting it back to the business. That is one of the ways, or one of the common mistake people are making, or common mistake small business owners are making, and I'm here to correct that. I believe you learned something on this day 14. I want to welcome you in today's in day 14 of this 90-day challenge. And I want to know if you have saved or invest, because it's not only saving, we can as well decide to invest every single day for the period of the 90 days. Let me know the one you've done. Did you save today or did you invest today? Let me know in the comment section. The platform you made use of, let me still know in the comment section. Welcome again. We have, like, let's say up to 4 subscribers to get to 5,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I'm proud of you guys, and I'm happy. And I'm like, what can I do without every single one of you? I so much appreciate. If you have gotten to this point, please do well to click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you're always getting on this channel. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Scatter the subscription button, but please, after smashing that subscription button, don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you watched. All right, see you again, and like I always say, keep winning, and always have it in mind that Leo loves you. And until tomorrow that I'm going to see you again, comrade. Bye.